our fourth day in Lisbon, we went sailing and we had an amazing time. We booked our experience through Airbnb Experiences, which had us set sail from the Santo Amaro dock at the foot of the April 25th bridge.
Yeah, and what was awesome was when we arrived to the boat, we found out that we were the only two guests.
Yeah, it was really cool to be able to talk to our host and be able to sort of have their undivided attention and just be able to ask them any questions that we wanted. It was really cool.
So our journey took us down the coast to Praça do Comércio, and then we went across the river to see the other side, Almada, and then under the bridge over towards Belém, where we saw the Tower of Belém, monument to the discoveries, and then sailed back to the dock. The whole thing took a couple of hours, and it was a beautiful day, just a fantastic trip.
So we highly recommend doing an experience like this and getting out on the water and sailing if you are in Lisbon, and here are some of the reasons why. The first one is the fact that you get to see Lisbon and some of its top sites in a really unique and really exciting way. The Tower of Belém, the monument to the discoveries, all of these are really special, and they're even more special when you get to see them from the water. It's a different way of seeing them than you would ever be able to experience from land.
Yeah, for example, the monument to the discoveries actually juts out into the water, so it's actually the perfect way to see it is from the water.
And it's a monument to people who set sail, so why wouldn't you want to see it while setting sail?
So another great reason to do this is that you get to connect with the locals. I mean, you're on a boat with them, so you get to hear their experiences and what they feel is important to them about Lisbon and sort of what they love about the city.
And it kind of makes you feel just a little bit more connected to the place that you're in and the people who are from there. We also recommend this experience because it's really just very cool to be out on the water and to see all of the activity.
I think I was a little surprised at how busy the river was. Ferries, cruise ships, sailboats.
Yes.
It was just filled with activity, and you don't even notice it really from land. But once you're out there, there's a lot of ships and a lot of boats. It's really cool. Another reason to go sailing is Lisbon is rich in history. And of course, the city and the country have a very strong connection to the water and to the sea. So it's really a fantastic viewpoint to learn about the history of the city because you start to understand it a little better. That alone, I think, makes it worth it to get out on the water and to get out on a sailboat.
Overall, this was a really great experience for us, and we definitely recommend it. If you go for no other reason, just go for the fact that it's totally fun.
Oh, and hey, if you like this video, remember to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already so you can get more of our travel videos.
See you soon.